Hey guys, welcome back to my property project. Today I want to talk about ticks, dealing with ticks. So the first year I owned this property, I didn't have any tick issues, never saw a tick, never had a tick on me, no ticks issue at all. But I don't know what happened this year. This year is a bad year. There's just ticks everywhere. And so I've done some homework and so far it seems to be fairly effective. And I just wanted to share that with you. So there's two methods of controlling ticks that I'm using. One is to treat myself so that if a tick comes into contact with me, it dies. And the second method is to treat the ground that ticks live in. So this is what I'm using for the first one. For treating myself, I'm using the Sawyer Permetherin. What Permetherin is a nerve agent for ticks, essentially. When a tick comes in contact with permethrin, it overloads their nervous system and it fries. It's kind of like putting too many amps or volts through a light bulb. Pow! Their nervous system shuts down, paralyzes them. It doesn't kill them right away, but they stop their ascent up your body. They fall off, they die in the grass. So very effective. Permetherin is for treating. This stuff is labeled for your clothes. There's different recipes for permetherin solutions. Some of them are better for some things, others are better for other things. This one is designed to go on your clothes. It has a agent in it that binds it to your clothes, so it'll actually survive. They say 6 washes, 6 times through the washing machine. So that's pretty awesome. So this is what I'm using to treat myself. The second product I'm using, it's more permetherin, but it is, its recipe is different. So this is from DIY Pest Control, the website. This is Permetherin SFR. It's a 36.8 concentrate. Holy crap. For reference, this stuff is 0.5% concentrate. Okay? So don't use this without PPE. I've got rubber gloves. I've got an air mask. But this is for spraying the grass and ground. This has different base solution. It adheres better to vegetation. I mean, theoretically, I guess, if you diluted it down far enough, you could treat your clothes. I wouldn't do it. This stuff stinks like oil, and you wouldn't want that on your clothes anyways. So yeah, this is 36.8%. So we'll dilute it down to 0.5%, and this 1 gallon will make 120 to 140 gallons of solution for ticks. You can the dilution is different based on the animal you're targeting, but I'm targeting ticks, so that's what this is for. That's enough to spray my entire property, or at least the areas that I go in, for years. So that's great. I will spray where we go, along the beach, the roadways, around the bathroom, the tent, like the campsite locations, that kind of stuff. All right, it's the end of the day. It's a hot one and I'm exhausted. Going home. I didn't see a single tick on me. So either I got lucky today, first time I've ever not seen a tick on me this year, or that permethrin's really working and it killed the ticks and got them off me before I even realized they were on. So since this is the first time that's ever happened this year, I'm going to just chalk that up as the permethrin's working. So hooray for me. We'll see how the in-grass stuff works next time I come out with the kids. Spend some time down the beach. Anyways, good luck with yours. Permetherin, man. It's good stuff. See you later.